Welcome to HAGER'S Hangout again. Today we are doing another cooking episode. Today is going to be one pan Greek style chicken thigh orzo. Okay, so that's basically rice, spinach. Looks like chicken, like fried chicken skin. Diced chicken thighs, lemon, dill, cheese, zalota, some glaze, salt, pepper, butter, the whole shebang. Alright, so let's go ahead and start by preparing this stuff. I just need to grab my handy dandy mess kit knife because it's the most precise knife that I think I have in the kitchen. And I'm just mincing it. Don't know quite the definition of mince, so I'm just going to cut it because that's how I work. Alrighty. I do like dill. Like dill chips, dill sour cream, dill, just dill in general. I've always enjoyed. So, dill messes. Well, you're cooking with Hager. You knew what you were getting into by clicking on my video. Alrighty, good enough. Okay. Alright, I have to have the lemon. Do not ask me why I have a lemon squeezer, but I do. I'm going to drain the liquid. Drained enough. Throw them in the bowl. Gotta get every last piece, right? And then I'm just adding a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. Now it's surprising on how long a salt and pepper packet lasts in this household. Since this is from the first episode still. Come on. Alrighty, that's my salt, that's my pepper. And that's the FedEx guy that I will take care of later. Alright. I'll take care of the package, not the FedEx guy. So don't panic. So go ahead and comment down below if any of you are liking this series, or if you're looking for different comedy, or if you're looking for just give me a heads up approximately what are you looking for on my channel. Go ahead, comment down below. All right. Chicken's done. Scooping it in a plate. With 2.5 cups of water. And yes, 1 canteen cup is about 2.5 cups of water. We add the chicken demi-glaze. Don't ask me what demi-glaze is. Lemon zest, also known as lemon juice. Stir this before it starts sticking to the pan. Alrighty, the rice is pretty much done. Now all I need to do is add the chicken and the spinach. Oh boy, they were not joking when they say use a large pan. They were not joking. Maybe I should have put that in a little bit more ceremoniously. A little moderation here, a little moderation there. Then I just stir until the spinach is wilted. That looks like wilted spinach to me. Come on. Get in there. In there. Okay. Butter has been added. I just need to wait for that butter to get completely melted. Bring it to the table. Alrighty. Cheese. Apparently, this is red, fried red, what the heck did they call this? Crispy red peppers. My favorite, dill. Now let us compare. That's the picture. That's my mess kit. Let's give it another try. Okay, I will admit, this isn't a bad meal. This is something that I'd be willing to give another try in the future. This is not bad. Mildred won't have the opportunity to say her opinion on the next meal on camera since she's going to be busy. But we can review the end of program chocolate together.
Yep.
Today is Turkish chocolate.
Let's see what it has. Open it. I hope it will be better than the caramello.
And once again,
I was so disappointed by the caramello.
Yeah. There you go. Once again, this is from Ireland, and apparently these are made right next to the airport, and made by.
Is it inside?
Oh, it's a juicy inside. It is like a berry.
I'm trying to think. What do you think about it?
Oh, let me. Oh God, that's horrible. Oh,
What do you think about it?
Turkish spit. What do you think about it?
I was thinking I had an issue with my taste, so that's why I kept asking you what you thought about it.
Oh my God, that's
And I tried to wash it with the wine, like.
That is awful. That is like Turkish tar. Wow.
I'm glad to know that my taste is fine and that I'm not
Okay.
the problem.
I kid you not. If I saw
horrible.
this again on sale for 10 cents, I wouldn't even buy it just for a cheap stocking stuffer for Christmas.
I think I would even go with the caramello and not
Oh,
this.
absolutely.
This is horrible.
Wow.
What is this thing inside? It has a horrible taste now.
All right. What are the ingredients? Ingredients is milk, sugar, glucose syrup, cocoa butter, cocoa mass, vegetable fat, which is palm shea.
What is palm shea?
I don't know what palm is, but Shia is a religion. Well, it makes sense. Turkish. Yeah. Emrufer
This is
flavoring. Tropicana starch. Gelling agent. Yeah, this is horrible.
Whatever is in there, it's not working at all.
Wow.
I'm washing that away.
I'm not finishing that.
It's all yours. You've got lots of chocolates.
Let's see
all yours.
Let's see if Cooper likes chocolate. All right. Thank you very much for watching. So, Turkish chocolate. Don't eat it. It's horrible. I wouldn't even give it to a colleague that I wanted to really despise. Unless it's April Fool's Day and the person keeps stealing your chocolates, swap this bar out for like a Hershey bar. Let them take this, and when they say, "What the hell is this?" then you know who's stealing your chocolate. Because this is going to get rejected faster than me in an orphanage.
Definitely. It's horrible.
Have a nice day.
Horrible.
Bye.
Bye.